This is behind me is a Can King tent. It's a new tent that's come out. It's Aussie made, 100% Aussie made. This one's 2.3 long, 1450 wide. It's got a very high pitch and tons of room. I'll give you a look. So, entry's either through the side or at the back. This is Dino's truck, so he's already got a ladder on the back, which is pretty good. You've got 2 clips, bit of a shaft. Up she goes. Tent's got a massive awning, which uses a head pole to secure it. Really good in wind, nice and rigid, great in rain, heaps of shelter. There's no water ingress in the back, even in pretty average weather, we've found. Twist lock poles. So on this one we've used our own brackets to tighten up the poles. And we positioned the tent forward a little bit just for a bit better balance on the vehicle, and also to have a little step at the rear, which can also be handy if you've got to carry a heap of jerrys or extra gear on the back. Yeah. There we go. So I'll give you a look inside. It's she's a big tip. To put some perspective on it, I'll get in there too, guys. That's the way we do things backwards and forwards. So yeah, perspective of the size. I don't know if you can see how much room's at the back there, but I'll lay down for you. I've still got nearly 1.5 foot room there. I'm 6 foot tall. And height wise, I can just about stand up in it. So that's me standing in the tent. It's a big tent. It's probably the best headroom in space. Now, little things to go down as well that are great. Canvas is nice, Aussie canvas. Clips up. They've copied the South African ideal of having the windows zipping bottom up, which that means you can set your windows for privacy at any height you like, which you've seen with other tents that we've seen in the top end sort of tents, where you've got roll settings of your windows, which is brilliant. Same goes on the sides. The side windows are enormous. It's the only tent we've seen in the Australian market with midge-proof mesh, which, despite midge not flying, might be a good idea for some of you in Queensland that are super paranoid. So anyway, there's a few pockets and things inside. All round awesome tent, really well made. And thanks for watching.